Yeah, welcome back. This nasty eye the red. In case you just join us for the show. This is not the show where the talk tells what that happen for television. That happen for radio. They're there for newspaper headline where people they gather for slate the lead, even though they're not there buy paper. We will get the people where they send and give us for inside with company here. Their name now revenue so and the yeye. When they send this email them, we go come go there. Go check the mail. The message them where Bella say this story get girl like somehow. Talk and where Bella go tell sweet. Rocky child. I bet the time I talk not be true.
That's not true. You just make me laugh with this your body cassette.
That's how people talk. Like. Okay. That's why it's difficult for us to pronounce parallelogram.
Parallelogram. As it not been now since Elenu they use both accents. I go try use one for you. Shaggy, you go use which one?
No worry.
So, my people say just so I want let you know say na Tori that what angle we don't enter so. And for Tori what angle we dey talk things so it be say seriously funny things where you go open and say sure. But when we begin here man, you go just dey laugh anyhow. The first one we take for Gabi say they say police go arrest one woman because she refused to wash her husband clothes. Now, how that kind of thing go to happen? Police arrest woman because she no wash her husband cloth. Maybe we hear this story, we go come back and touch like the matter in a laughy way. Torida police arrest woman because she refused to wash her husband clothes. One Mexico woman don spend 12 hours for jail because she refused to wash and iron her husband clothes. The man named na Edgar Ivan Perez Alvarado. In telling wife Dulce Riquana Gasha to wash and iron his clothes, but the wife refused. Say she thinks say the husband want clean clothes where he go wear go meet his girlfriend there, so she not dey wash. Now the man come provoke, call police to arrest the wife. Call tell police say na so TV she dey wash, she not dey do anything for the house. And police call back the woman go spend 12 hours for jail.
Put it to you,
yes,
that Nigeria police supposed to arrest that police,
yes,
for lack of work to do. Yes, it's purely lack of work. Look, all this country one and they do, they don't know that make sense. How can you go and arrest somebody's wife because you don't wash clothes? You don't have job to do. Because if you have work to do, you don't go and arrest people. They might not get hand.
Forget Nigeria police self, they try to leave that matter. You never even Nigeria police if now they give that kind of case. They will say now everything money must come outside for inside.
Since the man go,
so far they don't come bring the case to them.
Since the man go get money, the man go get that money now.
So what's the cut of that? When they don't arrest the woman finish, they investigate.
They investigate now.
Whether she wash the cloth or she no wash.
Maybe for that they give the woman 12 hours.
12 hours now.
And they accurate with that 12 hours and they release the woman. That time, when money never comes, the family of the woman they gather money because it's like 2 days for inside that place.
Funny enough, they be charge the woman, but the woman no go get the money to pay. So the husband. Now got paid for her to stay prison. Supposedly she pay, she for not go. So police everywhere. You pay, then walk. Now see they
say the virus full everywhere.
But I don't say no. We Africans we love our wife past that level. Yes, you go shout, give her. Your shout be like when police car.
Why should you shout for your wife to wash your clothes? Is she
my friend, you don't wash that clothes.
Is she not girl? Carry your clothes and wash. If you cannot wash it, give it to a dry cleaner. I will not be a part of a party to people who will arrest their wife for not washing clothes.
Everybody get dry cleaner money.
Not everybody get washing machine.
Then wash your clothes by yourself.
Everybody, not everybody get that straight.
So you buy the wife to wash clothes for you?
Yes.
Wait, but why the woman said he watched too much of TV? She watched.
You might just say they watch only TV.
You know what that TV she watch for her house before they marry him? So see, watching TV can be a hobby.
So she continued to watch TV even in the husband's house.
Yes.
Watch. Okay, see what she thought.
So
she said,
they watch TV.
See what she thought. She said she feels say the husband won't wear clean clothes to go block girlfriend. That's why she not clean.
Is that enough reason for police people to arrest her?
Why can't she just wash the clothes?
Wait, you don't marry Shaggy.
Now one of the problems.
You don't marry Shaggy. You don't marry Lucky Child. Have you ever seen it on the altar? They say, do you agree to marry your husband for better for worse? Yes. For washing his clothes or you get arrested. You there for insanity.
No, you all under better for worse, now they inside.
But
so for better for worse, you don't agree what you watch your thing.
We are still shy to understand the matters. Because like my wife,
what kind of
if the way she tire, I think I the clothes go give dry cleaner wash. I guess on my clothes
I don't stress my wife.
But that man get
apart from my undies.
That man feed up pay heavy money, marry that woman. So if the woman don't come, they do accordingly.
I don't tell my wife say. Now she go to wash all the clothes for the house. Go wash all of them. I don't want count or anything concerning wash.
This Natorido was so in case I get something to talk about this issue soon. Now still people block us on Twitter.
Yes.
And I the red. Make we all discuss this matter too on Twitter. Yes. Because I'm actually tired. Shaggy, what do you have there?
Yeah.
Please get work.
But what did they be saying? Now very, very big while I went there for ground. The while I be saying you know, say so kind story. I don't know where location living news there. They go bring all this their story. Maybe say person use cutlass take cut your own wife because you not agree disown your own daughter.
Sure.
More we hear this story out there.
Still another story where man beat his wife, cause he beat his daughter because they play lotto. This one happened for Orile Gomu inside Lagos State. One man beat his wife because she carry her own money go play lotto. When the daughter they try to stop the papa from beating her mama, the papa come begin beat the girl, join the mama with wire. Now police they find the man so that they go use and do scapegoat for all men where they beat wife and children. Now they don't
tell me what you
like say this news where play nana they confuse them to the headline we give us. The headline we give us, you say man attack wife because yes, so wife. Yes. They call they give us story of man we beating wife and daughter because they play lotto. Excuse us.
Yeye? Okay. Oh wow.
Now.
But now we still have to talk on that issue.
We still have to talk on that issue.
We have to talk on it because I don't understand.
Yes.
Man beat a wife and daughter for playing lotto.
For winning lotto.
Is it that you don't have... Do you have money? Because if you get money, I'm not sure... That
and the painful part, now the woman money, she take play the lotto. Not be the man, no.
Is the woman working? Did you find out if the woman is working?
According to the story, the woman own money, now she take play lotto. Oh. Now, you know some kind of husband say they're not they work. Now wife go work come. Then they will still collect the wife money, relax the shop. Maybe not that kind of money be. So maybe you don't demand for money. The woman cause I don't use a play lotto. Now he be beating.
Apart from that, no, seriously, let me wait.
Yeah.
No say some men maybe go don't hear the story, some story about lotto or this and that. Maybe now for Nigeria it happen. And for Nigeria the lotto where you the cost it could be Baba Ijebu.
You all pass them before. Something they play for relay.
You know, say not be every family like that thing.
It's true, it's true.
The man feet don't tire. They don't they play and play and play.
And then they grow.
And then they grow. Maybe there isn't win anything. The team that isn't now they turn to setback. Now the man vest.
What I don't realize for that lotto this is where you play. You know, say when you start to play, you go they put small money.
Yes.
They get when you go come win. Maybe put like 100 naira. You can't win like 50K. You look at say, oh boy. I just said that thing don't happen for the house.
The spirit.
They don't win.
The spirit is working.
Are you serious? Now 50K. Keep playing. Then maybe the day when they can't go play, so they can't lose maybe like 5K. And that money now be the last money they have. I told you that this game when they play go put it up trouble.
Now you don't put it for trouble.
Don't sue for this house. Support the money to then go sue. You don't play lotto.
And the wife got
you don't go lotto joint.
The wife got to say, wait,
you don't go lotto joint. Grown up men.
They break loss. They stab themselves because of 10 naira. Say one give one money to play lotto. The guy no come play the lotto. Then the number when you give the guy to win, to play, come win.
You get one guy from my area now, every day go wake up, he say, I dey go work. I dey go work. Go sit down for where they do lotto. Every day I go I say, I can't reach one lotto, I say, now the work when they say, Naimo, the day you win, Naimo say, work money.
Anyway, my people, this now I the red and so they talk every time to read on or so you the one they hear so now to read the way it happen for real life, it did newspaper, it did TV, because this is what they read so now courtesy of Oga Lebinos and Oga Yemi. The one way they my hand now be say, man cry when he enter court, she say the judge, I person way no for school, secondary school. I don't know what happened, why I cry, but let us see the video.
The man are thief
we
now.
Come back and talk about it.
Thief man cry when he say the judge where they on top in case na his old school mate. The thief man cry water come off for eye at a boot na the thief man name. Why mean the glazer na the judge name. The two of them be play football together when they did school. The thief man no recognize the judge until she talk say, okay, Mr. Booth, I get one question for you. Shall you go Nautilus Middle School? At once, he blind say they ring bell for this thief man ear. Now he quickly just recognize the judge. Now he begin cry. He dey cry, kata dey come out for his nose, water dey rush come out for his eye. The only word when they talk now, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. The judge can't tell courtroom say the thief man na nice kid and na the best kid for school in those days. So the judge can't set bail for £28,000. Now, this is a typical example of 20 friends cannot stay together for 20 years. The two don't be friends before, but today, see where they don't find themselves. Two friends, they play ball together. This guy, now he too sabi book then. But when the clock on turn, now he come in. You know that guy just say they for court, you don't bone. They won't judge your case. I'm not judge. You just wait. Now so lawyer. As the judge just they talk, you they bone. Here we break our hearts. Can I get break? You know, they don't want to outside. They close their way. So as the lady just say, Mr. Boots, I have one question for you. In your result, ask now. All in mind, maybe we'll ask I take the thief.
Yes. Do
you attend Money Laws Middle School?
Yeah.
As that question enter the guy here.
Okay. Why are you going with this, my lord?
The next thing
do you know Stephanie Crakes?
The next thing
yes.
Jehovah! I know you want to teach your class.
I am Stephanie Crakes. No, it's not possible.
You want to hear the right one? Ow! Chimo!
And I collected your second grade
Father
food.
Lord.
Your lunch food.
Father Lord.
Oh my goodness.
We are classmates. Doesn't make us a grace mate.
Jesus.
That's why they say what goes around comes around.
Yes,
always
sir.
Be nice. Because this thing actually get video. I don't know whether some of them are going to see it, but when I go YouTube, go find out. Because see him. When the judge actually, I used to know him. He used to be a nice kid in school. But I know say she dey cover the real part for 1 year.
Yes.
I know say that guy do a strong team. For school. Say he used to be a nice kid. What happened? What happened? The guy goes,
Why Elenu they cry so you get this other story where they
Elenu continue to cry.
Elenu you cry answer.
Elenu
But this very one, the man don't cry.
Elenu.
My people, this very one, the man don't cry. The man take action. Do waiting no day right. This one a story where really work because one man attacking wife with cutlass because she no agree to disown their daughter. Now, how it go to be? Make woman disown her own daughter. He not agree. Husband carry cutlass, cut wife. But we hear the story, we go arrange the matter. This one is still another story where man attacking wife with cutlass because she no agree disown their daughter. Joha Ogbonna from Ebonyi State attacked his wife Agnes with machete. Sake of say she allowed their daughter enter in house after the papa don't put warning say he no want see the daughter again because she disobey him go marry man where him no approve. The wife say lie, the daughter must stay. Sake of say she just born. Now Mr. Ogbonna enter room, bring out cutlass, con cut him wife 4 times. In con carry himself, go surrender for police station.
Only in surrender himself.
I want to understand something. You know, when I was growing up, they tell me say only Isoko people reserve the right to use cutlass the way they like. Since when are the Isoko people now giving this franchise to other parts of the country? What is happening?
My brother, I don't know.
You know, the Isoko man, can you please clarify it?
Yeah, you know the Isoko people, they know them for Tolopia. When
yeah,
they say Isoko Tolopia,
different.
Meaning say Isoko they carry cutlass. But I never hear any news say Isoko man carry cutlass for sure. Then Ebonyi people, then nationalize from Isoko land.
Who knows?
He just got last night they speak to your wife, Mr. Ogbonna. Is that the right thing?
Well,
he called wife 4 times. The wife got audition.
Maybe believe say na the only language when the woman understand that.
So disown her pikin. It is easy for women to do, but now from the body of the woman, now the pikin come out. You don't get her pikin bad rich. It is hard for you to see mama say they go. They see they look and say no how. One day it go come, it go change. One day it go come, it go change.
Because now, seriously, true. Because if you know, they not today commercial because the only disown in the year and say father disown me. Because father not fit carry the 9 months.
Not be them carry now. We don't know how they prepare for body.
Papa they disown, mama they bone.
Okay.
Mama visa go bone you for some time. So maybe
you don't do you.
After some while, I can't talk to you, but Papa won't disown you final.
Straight
but
down.
wait till that man they disown his daughter because say you know Gree make him marry man. The daughter can't go marry the man. Maybe the man not get money to.
No, I even dare somebody like my papa to disown me. I wonder what you want to disown me from. I told you not to do comedy. I do comedy. I disown you. I look at you.
I don't disown that you know what you want to disown.
You don't know my. I don't be on another Sunday.
Oh my God!
My dad is a great
man. Well, policeman handle that my way.
When you disown, no disown they come the other way and they say yes, maybe the man get money. If man get money, if he disown the son, he say you son, I disown you. The pikin go they cry. Say because you know what you want to lose. You understand? I know what you want to lose. But when they say you son, I disown you, and you be poor man. The pikin go say, beg me already come over for this family since I was. All right, make it not be like say so many cases they come out like this one. I say to read our war. So many cases they come out. The case we say you hear say so they rape person. When they rape person, this one go kill himself, or this one go carry the case go cause. Or if nobody know about the raping, then you go just secretly go just keep quiet, no talk about the raping.
They die inside.
Yeah, go die inside. But this one has story of 15-year-old person when they say yes, he vex after the raper, say no, he go kill himself. More hear this story, I beg.
The story pain us. 15-year-old girl commit suicide because they rape her. One 15-year-old girl says she won't remain virgin. She won't finish her secondary school and she won't go university. Then she go travel out. Now so she always tell guys for her area where they disturb her because she find guys always disturb her. She say until she achieve this thing, she not go out with any guy. But 4 guys where body they scatter, their aggro they increase. They come plan, come gang rape this girl. Now they don't shatter her dream. But waiting worry the girl wey confuse the girl wey make her commit suicide. Now the mama comment. The mama say, oh, this one pikin wey get 3 papa. The girl call shock. Which kind of statement be that? One pikin wey get 3 papa on which ground? Meaning say now 3 different men be touchlight the mama before you call everybody's girl. Come like say maybe na nemesis, one cash up. Now the girl come cry aloud. Oh Lord, waiting at their life they do. Now the girl carry scarf, go backyard. The mama not know wetin she dey go do. Only for them to hear shout say, hey whoa, hey, hey. This fine girl, he don't hang herself, commit suicide. Now those boys will rape him, now God will punish her.
Amen.
The thunder.
God will punish you boys.
Thunder we go fire on her. Still press up. So if I make thunder fire, I go like that wicked. Thunder have his way.
Say thunder go
they go just day one by one. As they one bath, that thing go just the fuck.
We don't get time, eh? We could just dedicate these people to the hands of God.
Yes.
And the hands of the viewers where they watch.
Yes.
When I hear this last story, we will talk so. What could I wish on our heart wishes?
To those
the people who rape this girl.
To the rapists.
Whatever you wish for them, so be it.
So it be it.
Yes, because whatever you stamp in heaven, on earth, is stamped in
Stamp in
heaven.
heaven.
For me, to you people, I say the thunder that will fire you.
Fire the rapists.
May Amadioha use you people to brush teeth.
Yes. No,
Yeye
brush
people.
it. Brush
The
it.
rapists.
Bad people.
Brush it.
If you dey rape or you dey think am, thunder!
Stop it.
Hala.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.